Welcome to Excel at Excel. In this video, I will show you how to use the concatenate function. The syntax for concatenate is equals concatenate, text1, text2. In this example, we have first names and last names as our text string. This could be anything. It could be company names, invoice numbers, etc. with addresses, but we're just going to keep it simple just to show you how to use concatenate. So I want to link this text string of John, first name and last name Barnes, into this cell so it just says John Barnes in one cell. So this can happen quite often when you have data sent to you, etc., and you need to sort data, so it can be part of that and to make your reports a little bit tidier. So we start off by typing in equals concatenate, open parenthesis, and we hit our first string of text, which is B3, comma, and then we hit the next one, C3. However, now we have no space in between the first and last name. So what we need to do there is add a space in. So we'll start again with the first name, comma, and in quotation marks, we'll put a space, and then Barnes, close parenthesis, and there you have concatenate.